Hello students, in this topic, in this lecture, we are going to learn Roman numerals. Now, first of all, let us know what are numerals. Numerals are the symbols given to the number. In English, we write 1 for 1, ONE1, we write 1. For TWO2, we write symbol 2. So these symbols are called numerals. We all know that in Marathi, we write something different. In Hindi, we write something different. In Gujarati, we write different, right? So all those we write are the numerals. Similarly, this is the way of writing numbers in Roman system. They are called Roman numerals. Now here, instead of actual numbers, they use alphabets. Some specific alphabets are used for writing numbers. See, remember one thing, some specific, not all. We have 26 alphabets, but we are not using all. Here some specific are used. Let us see what are they and then how to form numbers using Roman numeral system. So which capital alphabets are used, not small. So which capital alphabets are used? That is I. Then comes V. Then X, L, C, D, and M. These letters are used for writing numbers. See, remember how only using how many? 3, 3, 7. Using only 7 alphabets, we can write all numbers, right? So let us see how the numbers are written. So you must be knowing that for 1 we use I, right? For 5 we use V. For 10 we use X. Then for 50 L, 100 C, 500 D, and 1000 M. Using only these symbols, we write the numbers, right? Now here the method is number written after the alphabet or alphabet written after the alphabet adds. It is added. For example, when I want to write 1, I will write 1. Okay, 1, I will write 1. But suppose I want to write 2. So what I will do? I will write 2 times I. Then for 3, I will write 3 times I. Now here one thing is important thing is no letter is written more than 3 times. Maximum you can use 3 times. I cannot write 4 as I. This is wrong. It cannot be written 4 times. Then what's the method? So 5 is there. 1 less than 5. For 4, what we write is 1 less than 5. And this less is written on the left side of V. So you must have seen in your school, 4th standard. Last year you were in 4th standard, right? So you must have seen your standard is written like this. I is written on the left side of V, gives you 4. Correct? Then 5 is there. Then next comes 6. So now I is written on the right side. So it becomes 6. Now next year when you will go in 6th standard, and some of you are in 6th standard. So this is the method of writing 6. Similarly, then 7, VII. This is 7. For 8, VIII. Okay. Now comes 9. So let us remove all this first. I will write all these symbols here, and below this I will write the numbers. Okay, this is 1, this is 5, this is 10, this is 50, this is 100, this is 500, and this is 1000. We did up to 8, right? Now how to write 9? We cannot write 5 and 4, 1. No, it is not allowed. We cannot write 4 times. And that is why 1 less to 10. We know how to write less. We have to write I. That is 10 minus 1. So it is written like this, IX, that is 9. Okay. And then 10 is X, then 11 and go on. IX, IX is 9, X is 10, XI 11, XII 12, XIII 13 and so on. Then 14. Then 14, in that time what you have to do, X and 4. How we wrote 4? IV. So this becomes 14. 15 is simple, X and V is 15. 16 is X, V, I. Like that we have to write the numbers. Okay. Then important thing. This I is written below A, before X and before V. But we cannot write before L. I is not written before L, C, D and M. Means we cannot write 49 as IL. This is wrong. We cannot write 99 as IC. No, that is wrong. Even 499 as ID. Wrong. Wrong. All these are wrong. So how then they are written? Let us see. I is not written before L, C, D and M. Okay. So let us write the numbers 49, 99, 499. And for that what we need? 49. So we need to write 40 first. Now how will you write 40? Because X 3 times, 30 is 3 times X, right? X is 30. Let us clear the board. Okay. Now, look here. 30 means X. But 40 we cannot write 4 times. Then what is to be done? Then 10 less than 50. Okay. So 40 is written XL. 10 less. Less we are writing on the left side. So XL is 40 and then 50 is L. 60, for 60 we write LX. And then for 49, we write XL, that is 40, plus 9 is IX. 44, how 44 is written? XL IV. Clear? Only few we are going to discuss over here and then we'll solve questions. 60, that is easy now. You can write 61, just add 1, 2, 3 like that. Okay. Then how will you write 64? 64 is LXIV. This is 64. Okay. Now we'll discuss 99. It is not IC because I is written only before V and X, not other letters. So here we have to go for 90 first. How we can write 90? Because 80 we just add 3 times, right? 80 means L, X is 80. But one more time X we cannot write. And therefore, what is 90? 90 is 100 minus 10. And minus we write on the left side. So XC is 90. 10 less than 100. This is 90. And then for 99, XC, then what is our 9? This is our 9, IX. So this is 99. Similarly, 499. So 400, how 400 is written? CD. 500 minus 100 is 400. Then 90. 90 is what? XC. This is 90. This is 400. This is 90. And 9 is IX. So this is 499. Clear? Then 500 is there. And lastly, 999. So again, 900. How to write 900? So this is 1000 minus 1 usually. But what we will do? We will do 900 plus 90 plus 9. And how to write 900? 900 means 1000 minus 100. And that is CM. CM is 900. 1000 minus 100, right? Okay, so this is how we write 900, and then 90 we know, 9 also we know. So this is the way the numbers are written. So now let us see the questions. They are simple questions, but write into Roman and write into Indian or international number system, right? And secondly, some addition subtractions. So let us discuss few sums, okay? So the first question is, look here, see such a big number. The first question itself is a very big number. What is given? M, look here, M, D, C, X, L, I, X. Slowly you go. First see M. That is 1000. M is 1000. Then comes D. D is 500. Then comes C. It is 100. Okay, so let us write 100. Yani, actually, we can take DC together, 600. But this is also okay. Then comes XL. What is XL? 10 less than 50 means it is 40. So write 40. And lastly, it is IX, that is 9. So what is the answer? Let us add them. 1649. Very simple now. Only the thing is, you have to remember which letters represents which number. That is important. And suppose if some number is written before, like XL, so here confusion is there. Sometimes you make mistake. There is option also, say 69. Some children will write XL 60, and then they will get wrong answer, right? So be careful while doing like this. Okay, this 9 sometimes is considered as 11, and then it goes wrong. So remember well, 1649, that is the answer C. Okay, so let us move to next question. Roman numbers are actually not so difficult, easy. Okay, let us see now what is given. CO. Yeah. Look here, this is C, X, I, V. Let us first find out what number it is. C, that is 100 plus 100 plus 100. Then XX is 10 plus 10 and plus 4. So what is the number? 324. It is 324. Okay, divided by. Here it is divided by which number is given? X, V, I. So the divided by X means 10 plus VIII is 8, that is 18. And 324 divided by 18. Do you know that 324 is a square number and it is the square of 18. 18 into 18 is 300. 18 into 18 is 324. That is 18 square. We call it as a square number. 18 square is 324. Sorry, 324. And therefore here our answer is 18. And 18 is in Roman. Let us write in Roman. 10, for 10 write X, for 8 write VIII. This is the answer. And it is XVIII, A. So option is A. 18. Very simple. Only the thing is, while writing the number in international system or Indian system, just be careful and write it properly. Okay. And then division, that is the very simple. Addition division is not so difficult. Okay. Only converting this number Roman to Indian or international numbers is, or vice versa. That is, there you have to be careful. Okay, let us do next. Now the next question is, look here. Here mixed functions are given, multiplication and subtraction. So as per the BODMAS rule, we are going to discuss this BODMAS afterwards in next lecture or maybe in simplification lecture. It is called BODMAS. That is the order of solving any expression or simplifying any expression when all the functions are given together. So this means brackets, off means multiplication, division, again multiplication, addition, subtraction. So what is this? First of all, we have to solve bracket. Here there is no bracket, so forget about this. Then division, multiplication should be done first. Now we have multiplication. So first we have to do multiplication and then addition, subtraction. That subtraction is to be done in the last. So let us do let us write the given sum. We'll do like this because this multiplication and x, they look similar. Usually the numbers are written like this, huh? Okay. So let us first write it in our usual numbers. Xi means 11 and this is 12. So 11 into 12 is to be done first. At the same time, here it is 15 into 6. This is to be done first. These two are to be solved first and then subtraction. So now this is nothing but 132. 12 ones are 12. Ones are 12 plus 113 minus 90. And now the answer is, do the subtraction, it is 42. And now we have to write 42. See, we have done subtraction in the last. First we did multiplication, simplified them, and final answer is this. Now this is to be written in Roman. Now for 40, what we use? XL. XL is 40. 10 less than 50. So, and then for 2, II. So this is our answer, XLII. Here the answer is D. Understood? Remember this, when this type of question is there, all the functions together, follow this BODMAS order, then carefully convert into usual numbers and then find the answer. Final answer should be again in Roman because see, our options are Roman numerals. Okay. Now let us move to next question. No, I think one more we will discuss. Okay. Let us do one more question. I'm writing on the board. Now, because this particular type we have not done. That is why, right? Now convert into Roman. First question, what we did, Roman into regular as usual numbers. Now I'm giving you one number, you have to convert into Roman. Okay. So let us take this number. Fourth sum. $3,575. 3,575. And one more we will discuss over here. That is 3,948. Okay. So first of all, 3,000. Let us write 3,000. That is 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. 1,000 plus 1,000 plus 1,000, then 500 plus 70 plus 5. Like this you have to do. Okay. So now 1,000 means this is M, this is M, this is M, 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 M. Okay. Then 500 is D. Now 70. 70 means 50 plus 20. So for 50, we use L. So L, X, X, and then lastly 5. C is such a big number. 3,570. This is 3,000. This is 500. This is 70. And this is 5. Okay? And let us do this now. Again 3,000. That is 1,000 plus 1,000 plus 1,000. Now 90. 90 is 10 less than 100. So 10 means X. We will do 90 here. 900 it is. 3,900 plus 40 plus 8. So here we will write M, M, M. And now 900 is 100 less than 1,000. So 100 means C. C is to be written on the left side. CM. This is 900. This is 3,900. 40 means XL is 40 and 8 is, and 8 means V, that is 5111. Like this. See how the sum is. MMM, CM, XL, such a big number. Okay. So that's all for this Roman numerals. Let us stop and solve all the papers. Even in our textbook also it is given, and our past papers books, many questions are there. So keep practicing. Okay. All the best.